When initially released, the Zero Trust supplement for Microsoft Sentinel was delivered as a lone workbook to provide insight for organizations so they could assess, monitor, and enhance their security posture across multi-cloud, hybrid, and on-premises workloads. The latest release for this supplement is now available, but it has evolved to be better integrated through the Microsoft Sentinel Solutions Marketplace. Where it originally stood as a lone workbook, it has now been joined with analytics rules and a playbook. For details about the solution's benefits, visit the link in this video's description. To find and install or update this solution, click on the Content Hub blade in Microsoft Sentinel, filter the display by the Update Available status, and choose the Install or Update button to continue.